Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you use Voxal into your Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use Voxal into your Discord, first of all you have to install the Voxal application and open it into the background in your computer. And then you have to open the Discord application. Now just simply open the Discord and then you have to go into this setting option at very first. And after going in there, you will get a bunch of options. You just simply have to scroll down to app section and then you will get this option of voice and video. Tap to voice and video and then after that this voice settings will appear. I already told you to open Voxal application into the background at very beginning of this video. Now that is going to connect here. If you have opened that application into that background, if you tap into this drop down now, you will get to see the option of Voxal if you have enabled that application into your background. Now in here, you just simply have to select the Voxal voice changer in place of these options in here. You might see some other options also, but you just simply have to care about Voxal voice changer. And after that, the voice changer will be selected and you can customize that and you can easily use Voxal into your Discord this way. I hope this video was very informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.